What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, should be that squishy to you. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Uni's hair. Y'all, I gotta talk quick. My camera's literally dying right now. I received a 22-inch glueless body wave pre-cut lace wig. I love these wigs, y'all, because they are really beginner friendly. As you guys see in this video, it literally took under 5 minutes to, not even, it literally took like 1 minute to just throw this wig on my head, and I could have gone right then and there. I wanted to throw some curls in it, y'all, to bring some, you know, life back to this wig. It was already giving, y'all. Plucking and everything was already given. Lace is giving. I don't know who plucking these wigs, but y'all keep them on the team because they are hitting with this plucking, y'all. This is exactly how I will pluck my wigs, y'all. This hair ain't going nowhere. It's fight proof, all that proof. I don't condone fighting, but if you have to fight, just know your wig ain't going nowhere. I really recommend glueless wigs for all my beginner friendly people, even for my people out there like me who just sometimes don't feel like doing all the extra work. You can just throw in the wig and go. And y'all, I love my glueless wigs. Any days I'm not wearing wigs, any days I don't have a wig on my head and I have to go somewhere real quick, I would literally throw on one of these wigs, no matter if it's straight, curly, or body wave. I love. So this same wig will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.